So friends, moving to our next destination, that is the highest waterfalls of Mizoram, Vantawng Waterfalls. You guys are damn tired, right?
Yes.
But then you still want to?
See the waterfall. Yes.
So let's go.
So we don't want to miss it.
Yes. It's very near. It's like 5 kilometers from here. So we don't want to miss it, right?
Yes.
Chalo, let's go. Let's go.
go.
So we are arrived the highest waterfalls of Mizoram. So let's have a look.
Vantawnga Falls is the highest waterfalls in the Indian state of Mizoram, located near Thenzawl, which is in Sherchip district. It reaches down a height of about 2 to 9 meters, that is somewhere near 750 feet, making it one of the most impressive waterfalls in the region.
We can have a better look from upside, I think. Let's go.
The water descends in a two-tiered formation, creating a scenic view that can be enjoyed from a viewing deck built at a distance. As the area around the waterfalls is dense and difficult to access directly, the waterfall is named after a local swimmer named Vantawnga, who was a legendary swimmer who, according to the locals, used to swim in the waterfall's strong currents. He was such a good swimmer that he could hover in the cascading water like a fish. The falls is surrounded by lush green forest and is a popular tourist destination, offering visitors a chance to experience Mizoram's natural beauty. September to January are the best months to visit Vantawng Falls due to greater clarity and visibility.
You can see the highest waterfall of Mizoram.
Vantawng Falls.
It's truly mesmerizing. So this was our last spot, and it's already 4 in the evening. We must leave for Aizawl as soon as possible.
So friends, if you have enjoyed Vantawnga Falls, do like, share and subscribe. We will be back with new exciting vlogs soon. Till then, take care and keep smiling and do hopping popping.